Welcome back. As you can see, my table is a mess, and that's because I'm busy with the Apple iPad, um, which you guys most probably will see in the next one. But I've got to do a quick job quickly, so I just need to push this stuff out of the way. Alright, let's see what we have. I'll focus down on the table. There we go. So I've got a box, and then I've got a set of Gigabyte G733s. Yeah, and the USB C port is faulty. So I hacked in a micro USB port there, and the customer said, but they actually want the right USB C port back. Just need to open this box carefully. There we go. Oh no, it's upside down. And the problem is I couldn't find the USB C port for this. So what the customer ended up doing is purchasing one of these off eBay. It's quite a unique USB-C port. They're not standard. Well, none of them are standard. I don't know what is wrong with this. I don't care. All I after is this USB-C port, because I couldn't find it anyway. So let's sort up the soldering iron, and maybe we can go to the microscope. I think that's maybe a good idea. Let's get a microscope light on there, and let's switch. There we go. Alright, so that's the USB-C port, and the weird thing is it's like there's a pin missing. It's a strange USB-C port. Anyway, doesn't really matter. Let's see if we can get. So first I want to do is just to flow some solder, because this is most probably lead free solder in here. I have to be careful not to mess up the USB-C port. It was the only one I've got and the only one I could find. Okay, that should do. Going up to say 350 should do it. And move the microscope out of the way. I need to get some more. There we go. Pretty much hanging off the table at this point. And take my solder and just prop the board with some solder. I don't believe this is like the Nintendo Switch USB-C ports. I think this is all port is through all. I need to find a tweezer. Okay. So what I'm going to do, grab the port in the front of the tweezer and then just heat it up until it falls out. That's the idea. If you want, we can add a little bit of flux to it. That shouldn't hurt anything. Yeah. Okay, got some flux. Let's heat this up quickly. This should be quite a quick video. I'll also show you what I did to get a USB C port in there. There you go. Just focus on that USB C port and I'll show you what I mean. See, it's got no pins on there. Normally this is going to be hot. Normally they've got pins here and a row of through-hole pins, but this one only got through-hole pins and then it got like a missing pin here as well. It's very, very odd. Alright, so that's the one we needed. It's still in a good, nice condition. There's no pins missing or broken or anything. It also doesn't have all the pins on the inside. Strange. But it is needed because once you plug it into the computer, it doesn't allow you to communicate. It just allows you to charge the earphones. Switch you guys out of the way. Let's go back to the main camera. As you can see, that's what I used to prop the board up. Now this is the difficult part. You see on this one all the wires are cut, and that's a lot of wires in the speaker. So let's remove this. Let's make sure we remove the right one. We need to remove this. We can take the mic piece off. Remove that. And this is some Torx bits. Yep. It's one. It's two. Holy crap, we've got one of the screws. What the hell? Okay. Oh yeah, it's missing one there. Don't know. Can't tell you how that happened. I put all the screws back unless it vibrated loose. No idea. Anyway, doesn't matter. Doesn't seem to have injured the speaker. That's the main problem working on these speakers. Okay. So that's off. Was there any screws? No, I don't think there's any screws holding this in. Oh, it's a clip over here. There we go. And just unclip it. And I think this little wheel just comes off. So I wonder if I can get this on a microscope. It's still solid. It's still solid. Let me get it on a microscope. I'll show you what I did. This is really awkward to work on. Don't send me earphones. Please don't. Damn screw went in here. That's not good. Make sure you got no metal stuff lying around when you're doing this. Let me see if I can flip it around. I want to show you guys what I did to make this micro USB port to work. So we can, okay, let's do it this way. It forces the board in the right direction. Alright, let's get that USB C microscope view back. So this is what I did. It looks like a mess, but it's all connected and everything. And the chip was charging and everything, so doesn't matter. They don't want it anymore. They want it back to USB-C, which is a stronger connection anyway. So what I'm going to do, I didn't damage any traces, cut any traces or anything. I'm just going to heat this up quickly. Remove it. It's anyway only a temporary fix. As I told him, get the USB-C port. Make it work again. Okay, now we need to clean out the holes. I don't want to short any. Get rid of the excess solder wick. Keep up cleaning the holes. So I'm going to get a bunch of questions that ask me, where did you find this USB-C port? I found it on eBay. So good luck finding it. We're going to keep on cutting this wick to get all the holes open, since they are very tiny little holes. I need to go to the back. Normally difficult ones are the ones that are earthed or ground on a negative plane or a positive plane. That's normally the difficult ones to get open. So I'm just gonna add a little bit solder to that hole, and that hole, and that one. You can try the wick again. I clean the one. That one is stubborn. And that one is stubborn. Okay, let's see if we can do it from the back. Meaning I need to flip everything around again. Okay, back side of the board. See if we can get those last two holes. There you go. There we go. Alright. I'm still running out of alcohol, which is a problem. So I keep on forgetting to get some. Okay. Try to flip it around again. This board is not easy, and I don't want to move it too much. More times you move it, the higher the chance is of breaking wires off. Luckily we do have that donor board now, but still I don't want to get into breaking the wires off. That ground plane is not looking too good. Anyway, that should do it. Okay, so let's just check this the USB C port out. So what I'm looking for, see how much solder I left on those pins. Like, we're gonna battle to get those pins back into the board. So here comes burning finger times. Let's move this a little bit back. Get the port into view. Try not to burn anything with the soldering iron. All I'm doing is just cleaning up the mounting pins. There we go. That looks good. So I'm just going to place it in place here. Make sure it's sitting flat. Something is holding it up. Oh, you know what? I missed 2 holes. You guys see which 2 holes I missed? This will never fit in there. And you guys can't see. There we go. Let's have a look. I missed this one. This thing is a pain to work on. And that's why I don't really do headphones. They pain to solder to, they pain to work on, and the people don't want to pay. I need to get that hole clean. That's 1. That's 2. So hopefully there we go. It's nice and seated. So what I want to do, put just a tiny bit of solder on my tip. I know you're not supposed to do it this way, but I'm going to add some flux to it. And redo those pins again. So this is just to hold it into place. I just want to check alignment. Like I said, this is not an easy one to work on. See if it sits nice and flat to the board. And it is. It's nice and flat. Okay, now we can go on and finish it up. Solder all the pins. Clean it up. And obviously you don't really need to add flux, but because I did those 2 without flux, I'm gonna redo them. So let's put 1 millipole of flux there. Okay, so we can go that one, this one. Okay, now we still need to got this mounting one. Alright, that's all done. Let's get a clean one. Let's get the big side and just roll it. Alright, so it's done. Just check those connections. They look all very, very good. I'm happy with this. Yep, nothing wrong there. Ports it's nice and flat. Right, let's move back over to main camera. Okay, so now we need to get this whole mess back into the board, into its enclosure, and we can do a test, see if it works. I know I've been away for a while. I'm super busy at the moment, so unfortunately anybody knows work comes before anything else. I know I lost a few subscribers because I'm taking so long to put up another video, but unfortunately there's no other way. I've got this the right way around. Nope. Oops. Don't break it. Of course the USB C is not in. I need to lift that up. Something is holding it up, not allowing it to go in. What is holding it up? Huh? Must be this way. Oh, hang on. I think I know what I did wrong. The volume button should be on this side. There we go. That will allow the board to go deeper in. I was thinking, what the hell's going on here? Why it's not fitting? There we go. Okay. There we go. That's in. The buttons work, everything turns nicely, that's correct. I just switch it on now. All good. Don't know where that screw came from. That's in. That's that screw still doesn't make sense. Anyway, tighten down. Alright, so it's on. Switch it off. There we go. I think I've got a USB C cable here. And that should start charging. I think these lights here turns red. I don't think I'm going to be able to show you guys. Maybe. Just maybe. Will it reach? Is it setting up? Charging, blah 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 blah. You can hear it picks up. And it is charging. I can't show you guys this. Maybe I can. Let's see. View. Show desktop icons. Let's hide all that stuff. Let's just go view. Show desktop icons. Just quickly manage. Hide all the desktop icons. Okay, I think under USB device it should be disconnect. It should change. I don't know under which device it actually falls. Sound maybe? Nope. I don't see it. Empty storage. Empty system devices. I've got no idea which will actually show up. Nope. I wonder if there's an app. Let's see if we can find gigabyte G733. See if there's an app. Oh, it's Logitech. I thought it's gigabyte. It's Logitech. Oh, I'm sorry. It's Logitech. Let's see, support, view all downloads. Let's see. I'm sure there should be software version. Okay, it's downloaded. So I just downloaded the thing. I'll just install it quickly. Yes. Logitech G Hub. Okay, install. I think you can change the colors and stuff like that. Anyway. Still unpacking. Just monitor this mic and see if the battery's going flat. Yes, allow. I don't know if you need the dongle or I'm not sure. Welcome, let's get started. Precision G533. Click on the gear to start configuring it. Access to exterior games. Okay. Yeah. Okay, launch hub. I'll decide later. Whatever. Okay, I don't know this. Macros, integration, desktop. I think it sees my keyboard. Connect your Logitech G gear. I'm just wondering, maybe you need to. You see, this is why I hate this stuff. Now I'm getting involved. Okay, it says inactive. So you need a dongle. Setting up. I hope this is not gonna. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. My OBS just crashed. But anyway, doesn't matter. I'm gonna switch off that. Okay, so it shows 88% battery. I'm gonna lose my main camera quickly. I wanna see if it starts. Let's just go skip intro. Okay, it's quite a nice little thing. Microphone, assignment. Okay, there it goes. 87. Come on. Okay, let's just turn this off quickly. I just want to see if the battery will charge. Let's give it a few minutes. Okay, I'm gonna stop this and then come back once it charged. Once the level changed. I don't know how long this is gonna take. Okay, so I let the headset go down to 50% and it's now up to 54%, so I'm calling this good. One side note, if you ever need some explanation on BIOS editing, you can try Electronic Repair Resource Area. He's a YouTuber as well. He's also on the Electronic Repair School Discord. He's excellent in BIOS editing and cleaning ME regions and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna pop up his YouTube channel here. Now remember, I'll put a link for his channel as well. So this is his channel, Mido77ERRA, Electronic Repair Resource Area. And most of his videos are Windows keys, editing BIOSes, ME regions. He repairs laptops. This guy knows what he's doing. Have a look at his channel. If I remember correctly, he's from Morocco. He's only got 393 subscribers. Let's see if we can get him to 1,000. Very helpful guy. Worth the watch. Yeah, have a look at his channel. Will be a very good learning experience, especially with BIOS editing and stuff. And that's actually one of the areas I'm struggling with. He also fixed some BIOS for me before as well, so check him out. He's a good one to know. Alright, so we're on 54% anyway. This is a small plug-in for him. Very good guy. Actually talking to him on Discord now. So that's it. We replace the USB C port, and everything is working, so I can give this back to the customer. That screw is still the mystery. I just need to put this cushion back. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers. As you can see, it's 100%, and I don't think this battery is 100% right, because it was charging, and then it goes up to 100%. So I've got doubts about that battery. There it goes back down to 94%. So I've got a suspicion that this battery is not so healthy anymore. But anyway, thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.